it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. So I usually do all kinds of products unboxing and review. So in case you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe. So in today's video, I'll show you a LED face mask. So in case you guys are looking for a face mask, then definitely this review will help you. So this one from Amazon, and this one has like a really great review on Amazon. So that's why I've ordered this one from Amazon, and I'll show you how it works. So this is a 3-color LED mask, which is like a red, blue and orange, and these products usually use the LED fixed wavelength natural light waves, which helps you to promote your broad circulation and also produce collagen, increase your skin elasticity and improve your skin quality. So it has like 3 different lights, like red, blue, orange. So we'll see how it works and how it looks. So let's open this one. I've never tried the LED face mask, so this is like pretty new for me. This is how it looks. This is, you can use, yeah, this is, okay, so you can charge this one with this mini USB charger, okay, and it has a turn on switch here. Let me see, turn on. We have to charge it. Oh yeah, you have to press for a couple of seconds, then it works. So this one is red. There is any not they don't have any other switch, so there is only one switch, so you can change red, blue or orange. It's this, and this is the user manual. Yeah. So this is, so here is the switch where you can turn on the device, and also you can change the lights, whatever the lights you want. This is safe for everyday use, and they are saying that it's definitely helps you for the blood circulation, accelerate metabolism, it generates collagen and helps wrinkle care and skin improvement. They are mostly saying that you have to use this one for like 10 to 20 minutes for your face. Hydrating, daily use, you can use it daily. There is no harm. I cannot say that it's like really helpful for your face or not, because you have to use this product like regularly, then you can see the difference. You cannot see the instant result of this kind of device, because in previously also I have used the light massager, but I have not regularly used that one. But this kind of products you have to usually like regularly to see the difference whether it's working or not. But the way they have mentioned that it's working as like a light wave, it works fine. I don't have like any complaint or anything, because yeah, this is like a pretty simple and nothing complicated. Yeah, you can use this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.